Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get a free top level domain. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before we proceed into this video, it's not going to be a .com free domain, .in free domain, or something high-end top-level domain. Is going to be a cheap free domain, but you'll get a domain for free. If you want those kind of domains like .com, .in for free, you will have to buy a hosting service on hosting a name cheap or stuff like that. But we are not going to into that particular technology. I'm just going to show you how you can get a domain and use your own DNS or name servers with it. So without wasting time, let's get straight into this video. So the service we are going to use is Freenom. I'll link their website in the description, so go check it out. So let's search for Freenom. And this is the first website. I'll just link it down below, just check it out. Now let's search for the domain I want. So I want to buy a domain for name Flotion, so let's search for it. Okay, so these are the free 5 domains I can get. So let's say I like Flotion.ml. Okay, so I want to get it, so I'll click on get it, but it says not available. Let's try something else. .cf is also not available. GQ, well, the problem is it's a bug, but you can get it for free. So what you want to do is, instead of typing Flotion itself, you have to type the name you want, the ending as well. So like I want Flotion.ml, I have to Flotion.ml. Now I can click check availability and it automatically gets selected. So as you can see, it's in my cart. I can click on checkout. And now as you can see, I am getting an options to select the time period I want. So let's say I want this domain for 12 months, I can get it. After the period of 12 months, you can obviously renew it, but for now 12 months is the free limit period. Now just leave these things to the side, we'll look at it later. So just click on continue. Now one important thing here is social logins do not work on this website. As you can see, there are a lot of bugs. So what you want to do is you have to put your own email address in it. I'll type my email address. I'll just verify my email. Okay, so as you can see, it told me I was not able to verify his email, but as I said, there are a lot of bugs. So they have sent me a verification email on my email address. So I'll just go ahead and verify it. Okay, so I click here. Okay, so here are my details. Now I'm verified and I can check out. Now this is another important step. If you change your country to something else, you won't be able to buy this domain and it might show you different errors. So what you want to do is you want a fake address but a real name, and then you can buy this domain for free. So let's say I want a fake US address. So I'm just going to search fake USA address. It's not a big deal. It's just an address. No one is going to use it. Yeah. So here I'm going to copy the name here. Now phone number, I can just copy paste this. You want to make sure that you remove this particular dashes here, and we can just select normal password. So I'll just go ahead and type my password here. Okay, so here we are. My order is complete. I get a receipt, order number, and I can just go ahead my client area. As you can see, I'm going to services and my domains, and as you can see, I'm getting a Flotion.ml free domain, and I can manage its name servers. I can change its DNS or stuff like that. I can even forward URL forwarding. You can cancel the domain as well. So there are a lot of things you can do with it, and then you can create another subdomain as well. So yeah, it's really great. You get a free domain for free for 12 months, and then you can, after the period of 12 months, you can even renew it. You can manage the Freenom DNS. There are lots of things you can do with it, but yeah, it's great, and I really like this service. I've been using this for a lot of my websites, and it's really great. You can just go ahead and buy a free domain, and yeah, just do whatever we want to do with it. So I guess that's it for this video, folks. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.